The SIRIO compact tractor is the world's smallest tractor, but don't let its small stature fool you. It packs a serious punch. Ideal for smaller gardens and allotments, this tractor has a 13-kilowatt engine and a width of only 65 centimeters. Its small size makes it ideal for urban farmers and hobbyists who work in cramped quarters where it can be easily maneuvered and operated efficiently. The SOLIS S20 is a little bigger than the SIRIO, but it manages to be both smaller and more powerful. This tractor can handle bigger loads with ease thanks to its 92.5 centimeters width and powerful 20 horsepower engine, which also allows it to navigate tight spaces with ease. It is dependable and adaptable, making it a reliable companion for many agricultural uses. The SOLIS H26 is a great all-arounder because it combines power with superb maneuverability. This tractor provides enhanced performance and versatility with a width that can vary from 92.5 centimeters to 140.5 centimeters depending on the arrangement and an engine that produces 26 horsepower. The SOLIS H26 is a powerful and agile harvester that can plow, mow, or move materials with ease, even in the most difficult of terrains. The little yet mighty FARMTRAC Atom 22 is the go-to for small-scale enterprises and farms. This tractor may be maneuvered with ease in tight quarters despite its 22 horsepower engine and 99 centimeters width. The availability of several attachments further increases its versatility, making it capable of effortlessly handling a wide range of tasks. One alternative that meets the needs of farmers in underdeveloped nations is the MAHINDRA JIVO 2025, which is inexpensive and requires little maintenance. The MAHINDRA JIVO 2025 is a dependable option for light-duty farming tasks, thanks to its 102 centimeters width and 25 horsepower. It is a great option for farmers who are short on funds because it is affordable and easy to maintain. A powerful and multi-purpose vehicle, the John Deere 1025R utility tractor blends the advantages of a compact tractor with a utility tractor in one powerful and adaptable equipment. This vehicle can do a broad variety of chores on diverse terrains thanks to its 25 horsepower engine. With its four-wheel drive and state-of-the-art hydrostatic gearbox, the 1025R offers unparalleled precision and control. It also has an ergonomic design that makes using it for lengthy periods of time much more bearable. Carrying large loads and completing difficult chores are made easy with this compact tractor's high lift capacity. A versatile machine with great power, performance, and productivity, the BX23S tractor from KUBOTA is sure to impress. This versatile tractor is well known for its strong 23 horsepower engine and conventional four-wheel drive system, which allow it to efficiently traverse various terrains. The BX23S comes equipped with a loader and backhoe as standard, so you can dig, lift, mow, and remove snow, among other things. You can effortlessly swap between implements without tools with KUBOTA's unique Swift Connect backhoe and Swift Tack loader, greatly boosting its versatility. The MASSEY Ferguson GC1700 is a little tractor that packs a powerful punch in terms of performance, comfort, and adaptability. Its small size makes it easy to maneuver in confined areas, and its power output of up to 25 horsepower gives you the power you need for demanding work. It has an effective 4WD system, a pleasant operator station, and controls that are easy to operate. Its high-capacity loader and backhoe make it a great pick for hard tasks, like landscaping and small-scale farming. Unparalleled performance in its category is delivered by the New Holland WORKMASTER 25S tractor, a sturdy and dependable equipment. Its 25 horsepower engine and sturdy construction guarantee that it can handle any challenge. The operator station is well designed and comfortable. The hydrostatic transmission is economical, and the tractor has a strong 4-maze system for excellent maneuverability. Equipped with a high-capacity loader and backhoe as standard features, the WORKMASTER 25S is designed with adaptability in mind. This tractor is perfect for any job that requires moving items, digging, or mowing. Power and performance are two things that make CS tractors from KIOTI stand out. You may rest assured that you will be able to complete all of your landscaping and farming chores with ease thanks to its 21 to 25 horsepower engine. The CS series is known for its exceptional control and maneuverability thanks to its high lift capacity, power steering, 4-wheel drive, and dual-pedal hydrostatic transmission. Tractors like this are easy to maneuver in confined areas thanks to their small size and ergonomic operator station. Longevity, adaptability, and top-notch performance are hallmarks of YANMAR SA tractors. The 21.5 to 24 horsepower engine that comes standard on these tractors is more than enough power for any job that comes their way. The SA series is known for its smooth running and great control thanks to its hydrostatic transmission, comfortable operators platform, and 4WD. It can do light construction tasks in addition to gardening and mowing. The YANMAR SA series tractors are very versatile and cost-effective due to their sturdy build and powerful engines. Compact and powerful, the LS Tractor MT1 tractors are an excellent choice. Their 21-25 horsepower engines provide them more than adequate power for a wide range of agricultural and landscaping jobs. Easy control and operation are guaranteed by these tractors' dual-pedal hydrostatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, and comfortable operator station. The MT1 series is versatile for a variety of applications thanks to its integrated loader and backhoe. Any small-scale agricultural or landscaping job would benefit greatly from the MT1 series tractor's compact design and excellent performance. Power, comfort, and adaptability are the hallmarks of the BOBCAT CT 11021 tractor's design. Mowing, tilling, hauling, and light building are just some of the many jobs that its 21 horsepower engine can manage. Thanks to its hydrostatic gearbox, 4-wheel drive, and high lift capacity, this tractor is incredibly easy to steer and operate. Easy operation and control are guaranteed by its ergonomic design, which includes a comfortable operator station and controls that are easy to reach. You can use the CT 11021 for small-scale farming or landscaping, thanks to its compact design and excellent performance. An adaptable and trustworthy tool, the Simplicity Legacy XL is ideal for garden tractors. From light carrying and snow removal to mowing and tilling, this 25 horsepower engine can handle it all. With its 4-wheel drive system and considerable lift capacity, The Legacy XL guarantees exceptional control and maneuverability. Even after a hard day on the job, you'll have no trouble operating it thanks to its ergonomic operator station and user-friendly control system. The Legacy XL is an excellent pick for smaller-scale landscaping and farming projects thanks to its powerful performance and space-saving design. The 450DX tractor from STEINER is an efficient and adaptable piece of machinery. With a 25 horsepower engine, it can effortlessly mow, till, haul, and remove snow, among other jobs. Hydrostatic gearing, four-wheel drive, and a high lift capacity give the 450DX exceptional control and maneuverability. Despite its small size, it is incredibly easy to operate thanks to its ergonomic operator station and conveniently located controls. No small-scale farming or landscaping job is complete without the 450DX, thanks to its strong performance and adaptable design. Powerful and adaptable, the VENTRAC 4500Z tractor can handle a wide range of tasks. Its 32.5 horsepower engine is more than enough for modest construction, landscaping, and lawn mowing. Thanks to its hydrostatic gearbox, four-wheel drive, and high lift capacity, the 4500Z is incredibly easy to steer and park. Not only is it easy to operate thanks to its ergonomic operator station and conveniently located controls, but its small size also makes it ideal for navigating confined areas. Any small-scale agricultural or landscaping company can benefit from the 4500Z's sturdy performance and versatile design.